How to see open snaps again on Snapchat. So if you want to see the open snaps again on Snapchat, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Snapchat. After opening your Snapchat, you need to go with chats, which is on the bottom left. And once you go with chats, now here you will have the snaps, right? So for example, you need to just go with the chat that you would like to open the snaps. For example, I've opened the snap. Now once you open the snap, if you want to reopen that snap, or if you want to see the open snaps again, then you can tap and hold on to that. And as you can see that you can replay that. Now if you tap on it, then it will again replay, and that's it. But it will notify the other person that you've replayed a snap. As you can see here on the bottom, it says you replayed a snap, so that you will be able to replay a snap only once, because if you tap on it again, then it will not replay. You will have replay again option, but you might need Snapchat premium or subscription to replay that for the third time or for the second time. So that's how you can see open snaps again on Snapchat. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.